Hi everyone, I'm John Matthews for Levitate. In this video, I'm excited to talk about the Levitate Service Quote widget. We'll spend a few minutes going through a demo and show you exactly what it looks like and the experience for the consumer, and then we'll also look at what the lead notifications look like for the local home service business. Let's take the example of the business of home staging. Now, imagine you're a home staging professional, you're providing services to consumers in your area, and fundamentally, what does every consumer want to know? They get on your website, they pick up the phone and give you a call. They ultimately want to know, what is this going to cost me? Now, chances are you have a grid or a matrix and you walk them through a series of steps. You ask them questions. Tell me about where your home is located. Tell me about the price point of the home and the style of the home. What type of treatment do you need and how many rooms do you want to furnish and stage? When do you need the service? Is this something that has to happen immediately, or do we have some time to plan? And obviously you want to gather their contact information and understand who you're dealing with, whether it's a homeowner or a realtor. Well, at the end of the day, you take that information, you compare that with your matrix, and you can give them a ballpark. You give them a number and you say, based on what you're telling me, we believe we can accomplish this project for somewhere in this range. Now, that's fantastic. That's the process as we know it. At Levitate, we have figured out a way to take out some of the friction and smooth that process and make it happen instantaneously online. A consumer can go on your website and in a matter of seconds, they can go through that entire process, giving you more leads and giving you a higher quality of leads as well, as consumers are essentially pre-qualified, giving you the information that you need to better understand their project. We're excited to share, and let's walk through the steps of what you see in the Levitate Service Quote widget for home staging professionals. Here's an example of one home staging company. Consumers land on the website and are encouraged to get an instant quote from the Levitate widget in the lower right-hand corner of the site. The consumer is prompted with a series of questions, almost as if they were being interviewed by someone on your sales team. What's your design style? How many rooms need furniture and staging? When do you need the service? What is the expected list price of your home? And are you the seller or perhaps someone representing the seller? Before they can see their personalized quote, they're required to provide their name, their phone number, and email address. This widget belongs specifically to this staging company, and pricing calculations are determined by each business. This result is based on the variables set by the staging company, and the consumer is reminded that it's just a helpful estimate and the details still need to be verified. If the consumer is using a mobile device, the staging company is just one click away. Consumers love the widget because it gives them an idea of what your services should cost based on the nature of their project. Business owners love the widget because they get an immediate lead notification delivered right to their inbox. This notification happens instantly. It provides the details of the customer's request, and just like the staging quote widget, if you're receiving leads on a mobile device, contacting that prospective customer is just one click away. Local service businesses around the world are using Levitate to drive more leads and close more sales. They're taking out some of the friction in that early conversation with the consumer and helping the consumer better understand what their services cost. They're pre-qualifying those leads and hopefully closing more sales. Data has shown that the Levitate Service Quote widget converts anywhere between 5 and 10 times higher than a traditional contact us form. If you're interested in giving Levitate a try, reach out, give us a call. We would love to be your resource and see what Levitate can do for you. Until next time, I'm John Matthews.